So, hi guys, hope you are all doing great. So, I would like to share my thoughts about the next week, which is 17th expiry, I think. Yeah, not even 17th expiry, before that. So, we have three holidays, only three more trading session in the coming days. That is 11th, 12th, and 13th. 14th and 15th is a holiday, right? Because of Guru Nanak, I think Ambedkar Jayanti and so on. So how we are going to plan our trades? Now what I can see from the chart is that this is a daily time frame chart. So 17,600 market is closed somewhere around 17,780 or 84, I think. Yeah, 17,000. This is 17,785. Now, 17,600 is very crucial support for us. And why I will tell you. Because 17,600 for a very long time is acting as a confluence area. Now, if you see here on October series, this has acted as a support. And on November last week, this has acted as a support. Then here, it acted as a resistance. So this is the third time. So this is the second time and this is the first time, right? And if you see here on February, around mid of February, this has acted as a confluence area. Whole of February, this has acted as a confluence. So this we can regard as a fourth time. And even on last Friday, the low, Nifty low was around 17,600, right? Now, if you see here, what is going to happen is either we have to go below 17,600 or we have to go on the upside. Now, on the upside, if we have to go on the upside, there is a very major resistance on the upside. I will talk about that in a few minutes. Now, what is going to happen on Monday? That is tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, I really don't know how global Qs are going to open. As of now, I think Nifty, SGX Nifty is down by 35 or 40 points. That is not a big issue, but will it close, if at all, if Nifty is gapping down, will it close below 17, open below 17,600 or at 17,600? For that, we will have to go to the 5 minutes chart. So this is the 5 minutes time frame of Nifty. So if you see here, this area, which is 17,600. You can see here there was a rejection on 7th of April. There was a rejection in this area. Then even yesterday, 8th of April, market went up, then came down. So 17,000. This 17,600 was acting as a good support, and it closed all the way, and it closed below 17,800, right? Now, why this is acting, this 17,600, why it is acting as a support, I showed you in a daily time frame. So it is acting as a confluence area since October series. Now, in order to, if the market gaps down on Monday, that is tomorrow, we might go towards the next support of, maybe I'll show you, maybe somewhere around 17,000. Let me draw a line here for you people to understand. Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Around where? Yes, this, around this area, which is going to be, let me zoom this one. Yeah, around 17,400 area. And you know why? There has been some rejections, and there has been this 17,400, or let's say 17,400 has been acting as a very minor support. I wouldn't say it is a major support, but minor support. But we will have to wait how Nifty is going to open. Probably Nifty is going to open flat, but news is going to drive whether the market is going to go down or market is going to go up. Now there are many major events on the calendar. Maybe TCS, I think TCS is coming out with the results, and many other companies are going to come out with the results. So for this week, coming week, it is going to be a stock specific week, or markets are going to be driven by stocks. Maybe results of TCS, Reliance, that and this Infosys. So it is having a very long list. So if the market opens flat and if the market sustains above 16,000, this level 16,600 levels, we may inch towards 16,800. And if you can see this one, let me show you why I am insisting 17,600 to be a very strong support. You can see from the open interest also that smart money is writing more number of puts at 17,600. So this is the 17,600. So if you see here, this area 17,600 is having the highest open interest, or people have written highest number of puts at around 17,600 on Friday. So if you historically also, there is higher open interest put writing at 17,500, 17,600, 17,700. So let us assume 17,600 is going to be the highest open interest. And when you see the chart also, we can clearly see that 17,600 is going to act as a confluence area. So for now, we will see, and mark my words, Bank Nifty is not going to go below 17,600. Even if it gaps down, maybe it will have some price action or some fight between bulls and bear around 17,600, and then it will revert. That is what is going to happen. Okay. Now, if it goes up, it has to go above 17,800. Why I will say you. So this is the daily time frame. There was a confluence around this area around October. Then if you see here, there was a confluence here. It acted as a support here. Then on February 1st, this acted as a resistance. Then around 2 or 3 days back, this gap, there was a gap formation between 2 days. Let me show you. So this, on yes, on 5th of April and 6th of April opening, 7th of April opening, I think 6th of April opening, there was a gap. This gap has to be taken out, and I can show you clearly in a 5 minutes time frame. This gap, I think, this gap is going to be a good support resistance in case if the market goes up. Now this is that 5 minutes time frame, and if you see here on 4th of April, there was a rejection around 17,800, and on 6th of April, whole day market was trying to breach 17,800, and it couldn't go above 17,800. And even yesterday, that is Friday, 17,800 was not able to take out. And in fact, this 17,000, this level, that is the gap up level, which is around 17,750, was being tested 3 or 4 times. And even yesterday, day before yesterday, this was tested as a resistance. This is acting as a resistance. And even yesterday, this was acting as a resistance. So market went up, then it couldn't go above. Bulls were not able to take it till 18,000. So this is the 18,000 level, I think, not 18,000, 17,800 levels. And it was reversing. So this area, 17,794, is acting as a short-term resistance. So in order for the market to go on the upside, this 17,700, it has to close above 17,800. And even if it goes above 17,800, 17,900, this level has to be taken out. So first, market has to sustain above these levels. Then we can see market going towards maybe 18,000. Anyway, 18,000 is going to be a super resistance. This 18,000 level is going to be a super resistance. and that is very much evident in open interest also. So if you see the open interest of Nifty, 18,000 is acting this one. This level 18,000 is acting as a super resistance. This is the 18,000 candle. If you see here, highest open interest among call and put option is at 18,000. So this may act as a super resistance. So either we will have to break 16,600 on the downside, or we will have to break 17,800 on the upside. Till then we will be having consolidating markets, and markets may go from this level to this level, and it has to break either this level to go on the upside, that is 17,800, or 17,600 on the downside. Now what we have done here is, that we have written 17,600 put option, okay, and 18,000 call option we have written. Now in case the market moves on the upside, we will book profit in 17,000. Actually we have done a short strangle. We will book profit in 17,600 and we will move it to 17,500 or even 17,600 levels. If the market keeps on moving, but our 18,000 call will be in trouble, no problem. We'll do some adjustment and we will rewrite 18,000, maybe 200 or even 300. But as I told you, this 17,900, this will act as a super resistance. This 17,900, this level, this is exactly at 17,900. We'll have to wait until the 17,900 is not taken out. We are not going to square off the 18,000 call, and we will not initiate a new call around 18,200 or 18,300. So as of now, tomorrow market should be opening flat, and this 17,600 and 18,000 will also come in profit due to theta decay, and there is only 3 more trading session. That's why we planned in advance and we have taken this trade. So very short time was there, that so we thought there is going to be theta decay. So this is the support, this is going to be the support, this is going to be the support, this is also the support, and this gap is very crucial. So this confluence is happening around the gap zone. So we will see, wait and see how things span out on Monday. So this is with regards to Nifty. And if you see the Bank Nifty is also having a confluence area around 38,000. So that is very much evident in open interest also. Highest open interest is around 38,000. So if you see the open interest, see here, call rating highest open interest is around 18,000. So people think 18,000 should act as a good resistance. At the same time, there is high call ratings, put rating at 37,500. So if you see here 37,500, this level, just slightly below this level, this has been acting as a confluence area. There is high price action here. This acted as a support. This acted as a support. Yeah, this acted as a support. This acted as a resistance. This acted as a resistance. Then this around here confluence, and even yesterday there was a confluence area. And so this 17,000, 37,500 should act as a support for Bank Nifty in the coming days, and maybe 38,000. This you can see here, then here also. So this February March series, you know, it was very choppy, and this acted as a confluence zone. So market has to take out 38,000 for the Bank Nifty to move on the upside. Anyway, we are not taking much trades in Bank Nifty. Most of our trades are in Nifty only. So for now, we will act as per our rules. Now, if the market moves above 38,000, we will close if the market, when it comes to Nifty, when the market moves above 17,800 we will close 17,600 and move to 17,500, and we will wait till the 17,900 is taken, and once the 17,900 is taken and if Nifty closes above 17,900, 18,000 is the resistance, then we will book loss in 18,000, or maybe due to theta decay, that is in a minor loss, then we will go to 18,100 or 18,200. So 18,100 is a super resistance. So if you see here, there was high rejection rate around 18,000, 18,100. So this is 18,100 area. So there should be high resistance at 18,000. That's why I am saying we will close 18,000 and we will shift our position to 18,100. So mark my words, I am saying again, markets are likely to go on this range. Maybe tomorrow it will be flat. If it goes on the downside, it has to go below 17,600. If it should be trading between 17,800 to 17,600. So that's what I see. If there is any good positive news, maybe it can go on the upside. If there is any negative news, it may go on the downside. And VIX is also very much low. So hopefully markets are likely to trend beyond this range. So in case you want to go long in the market, go long when at support. Go long near the support. And if you want to go short, go long, short near the resistance. Go short near the resistance. So this is the very simple this thing, right? So I hope you have understood what the concept is. Thank you for watching. In case if you have any doubts or any clarification, please feel free to comment on the session below. We'll try to answer. Thank you. Take care. Bye.